Bree Cropper's oldest daughter was keen to get vaccinated against COVID-19. Still, she was nervous about the side effects of a new vaccine.
We discussed it, my husband and I, and asked her to hold off for a short bit so that we could sort of watch the safety signals coming out of the States.
But by the time her younger daughters were eligible, she didn't need any convincing.
And we had them vaccinated the very first day. We were first in line. And so with them, it was kind of a no-brainer.
Not all parents in BC have come to the same conclusion. BC's vaccination rate among kids has leveled off in recent weeks. Only 57% of kids 5 to 11 have had one dose. In contrast, 89% of teens 12 to 17 have been vaccinated. And it's hard to know why.
I think with the younger children, we're now at a point where there's less concern from a lot of people. There's more vaccinated people overall in the community.
Throughout the pandemic, BC health officials often repeated that schools are safe and kids unlikely to spread COVID-19. Experts say that message could now be backfiring.
I think some of the messaging around COVID has also, and likely inadvertently, but contributed to a misperception on parents' behalf that children, it's not really urgent to get children vaccinated.
The only province with a lower child vaccination rate than BC is Alberta. And in Newfoundland and Labrador, where COVID vaccines were administered in schools, the number is 85%. And though COVID-19 is often mild in children, it's not without risk.
But there are still some children who have a serious infection. We can't always predict who that's going to be. Some children get rare complications that can last weeks or months. And ultimately, these vaccines are extremely safe for children.
The province says it hasn't changed how it plans on boosting BC's numbers. But no matter your reason for getting jabbed,
our 10-year-old, she wanted to be vaccinated to be a part of the bubble that was protecting all the immune compromised and the elderly. And our 7-year-old, she wanted to be a superhero with it.
Experts say every vaccine will help limit future waves. Michelle Gassoub, CBC News, Vancouver.